Assalamualaikum. This is Nazmul Huda. My presentation topic is service station. My ID is 163351728. The contents are overview, purpose of the project, stakeholders, software requirements, use case diagram, activity diagram, sequence diagram, year diagram, block diagram, and the project screenshots. The overview of the project is: user can purchase his desired service, user can fix his schedule and confirm his service. If an user cannot find his desired service, he can send request for his service. The service provider can select category and create his specific service. Provider can check the service request and respond it. The permission of the project is: at this time it's tough to get different service from any unknown area. User cannot find billable service provider with his range. The service provider had to find customer locally. The goal of the project is the service exploration and simplification. The project is related to simplifying the tasks of identification service by providing easygoing search option and listening manners that reset the whole nation. And the seamless management of the appointments. The system is programmed to allow easy scheduling and confirmation of service appointments with a strong scheduling functionalities in place. Both users can easily deal with their appointments. And the service exploration simplification and the expand service reach. And the directory service will help to expand the reach of any service. User can search multiple of nearby service from a single platform only through this service. The stakeholders of this project are two: the user and the service provider. The functional requirement of the projects are the request for account password, login, search service, request service, view service details, select package, confirm package, update service, and also payment. The non-functionality requirements are security, availability, accuracy, and the maintenance. The use case diagram of this project are there are the two actor, user and provider. User also first register and then he can log in into this system. Then he have to add details, and then he can do search service and request service. And the provider also have to register first and then he can log in, and he also have to add his details. Then he can create, add and delete or other things and other changes for the service. User can select packages, then he create appointment, and if the provider reject it, then he get notification. The provider confirm this is order, then user select payment, then log out. The active diagram is view services are these. He have to first to log in the system, then he can search service, then he can select category, he can filter his region or category, then he can then he can view the service, and the add details, he have to add his information on the system. Then the confirm service, if he find his desired service, he can book his service, then confirm. Update service, provider can the service provider can update his service, specific service. Book appointment, the sequence diagram serve book appointment. User first to book his appointment, then confirm package, then make payment. User can give feedback to the service provider, and this is a service provider sequence diagram. User check appointment, and you can create it, delete service, and use the provider also add his details. And these are the year diagrams of the system. The entity of the user's ID, username, a phone, image, and many other things. An email and ID should be the primary character. And the service, there are services have ID, service name, category, description, image. And the provider also has the email, ID, and the other things in the order. The relationship between user and services, like user can purchase service and order service. If he confirm his service, it added to an order, and provider has also checked his order. This is a block diagram of this. Registration, login, then he can home if you want to log out, Then he can choose profile for add details, update profile. Then go to dashboard for create service, check order, and contact. And these are the screenshots of my project. This is the dashboard of the system. If he, for entering dashboard, he have to registration his account. If he register, then he can log in. Service provider can create service, and he check his list of the service. The user can also see the service list, and he can filtering by filtering this. And this is the service page of a single service, and this is the user orders list, and this is the order list for service where he can check order. And this is the GitHub link. The tools and tools I use in the program language, I select JavaScript. For database I use Mongo. For the back for the front end I use Next.js, and the tools I use VS Code. And this is the project. First, for user and service provider also have to first login for email and password. If you log in, he can check services. And check services, he can search service. He can go to service and purchase also this service. You can add note and create and add appointment date, then order. For the dashboard, service provider, from the dashboard, service provider check his order. You can create service by this. Check service list and create service. And he also can order. He also can check order list. He can cancel or confirm any other project, other services by receive confirm. Thank you. This is my project.